This is the first piece that I wrote. I have not titled this anything yet, but this is based on a very small incident that had happened to me a few years ago. I can't really say it happened to me, but it happened around me. A boy once called me a chamar. He was a Rajput. A Rajput boy once called me a chamar. I am a Brahmin. A Rajput boy once called me a Brahmin chamar to insult my appearance. A Rajput boy called Brahmin me chamar to insult my appearance. And I just stood there, silent as a book. We both are criminals of history's past and present. My mouth was caught in a battle of its own. Should I be offended? Why? On whose behalf? Or should I defend the ones who aren't here to defend themselves? Because we've both closed the doors shut. Rajput boy mistook my dilemma for hurt. Thinking that he has hit below the belt, he apologizes. To me, a Brahmin. Sorry, I didn't mean that. You don't look that bad. Okay, so this pointed towards something that had happened before where some guy very arrogantly told me the word he told me he called me chamar as an insult. And at that time, I did not know that the word chamar actually is a community of people who are considered scheduled castes in our country. And I like an idiot at that time defended myself that no and stuff like that. How dare you call me? Because for me, and considering my Brahmin privilege, I literally had learned only one thing about it is that it is used as an adjective and it points towards something negative. So many years later, um, I learned about the Chamar community. And so this incident kind of stayed with me, and it just points towards how we are just so shut out by our own narratives that we don't even realize our privilege protects us to such an extent that we don't even realize that some of the things that we use in our daily language is actually violent in itself. Like we don't even know that this is a community that is existing in our country who are doing work for us, and we are using their name as an insult in our ivory towers.